have you ever had a dream, one is so big it seems impossible to attain? Well, this is a story about a family here in Fallbrook, California that did have such a dream. It was to turn an old abandoned golf course into a beautiful winery, and which they are doing with great success. So here's that story. I'm going to give you a look at the winery, Monserate Winery here in Fallbrook, California. I'm Doug Bailey. Welcome back to the Light Finder Project. I did find this article in the local Coast News. It's titled Monserate, Fallbrook's New Destination Winery. So Jade Work is the owner of Monserate Winery. He grew up in Fallbrook in the Gerd Valley area, playing golf at the Fallbrook Golf Course, which is dotted with 100-year-old oaks and towering sycamore trees. In 2016, when the 56-year-old property closed, Jade and his wife, Julie, knew the open area was destined for something big. Later that year, the Works put in an offer to rescue the property. Since purchasing the property, the Works have been able to establish a conservation easement guaranteeing the space remains undeveloped. Now, the dilapidated and shuttered golf course went months without being watered, killing all the grass. It would have taken millions of dollars to replant the grass and reestablish the irrigation. After poring over spreadsheets for hours, when the Works purchased the property in late 2016 for $4 million, they decided to turn the 116-acre property into a vineyard and winery. And the rest is, as we say, history. And now we're pulling up to the wine tasting room and lunch pavilion, and as we do, we'll park and get out and start walking around the grounds a little bit and just see how beautiful Monserate is. When I was out here the other day, it had just been raining. You can see the ground was very wet, but it made for some good photography because there's a lot of vibrant colors I was able to find in the vines itself. And of course, the misty atmosphere always makes for good photos. And so, yeah, enjoy this walking tour around Monserate and the Nature Preserve. Back on the trail here. Here's a little sign talking about the Gerd Valley Preserve. There's a lot been developed here, but there's still a lot more out there.
The more that I've tried, all the years that I've wasted, trying to find it, all that I go through.
You can see this is a popular place for the residents around here. Walk their dogs, walk themselves. How you doing? So this trail, let's get through this little arch of branches up ahead here. But this trail will, oh, I just love this look here, the scene here. All the line. Okay, continuing up. Yeah, this trail goes on up the hill and loops around both sides of it.
covered in gold.
And there's already people getting here, getting close to lunchtime, so it will fill up. Let's see if we can check out the tasting room.
I let it all go out the window. No smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind chiming. It's always been you in the back of my mind. When there are others, I do the routine. I dance all alone there. I try to be seen. Then there's a feeling, you know what I mean. I let it all go out the window. No smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind chiming. It's always been you in the back of my mind.
And you can see the actual vineyards stretching out in front of us.
I let it all go out the window. No smoke in my eyes. I can hear the wind chime.
And yeah, the golf course used to wind
It's always
back through these hills, back through the forest back there, and then across the road. And so it would have been up and through there, come back. I think that was the 8th hole over there. I'm trying to remember now for sure. But it was a lot of fun to play, and it's so beautiful. I was really sad when it closed. But this is a great reimagining of this beautiful property. Yeah, I got those. I'll show you a photo of this. That came out really nice with my camera.
Forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders.
And of course, if you look across this pond, there's a great little secret spot. Isn't that where those Adirondack chairs are?
Liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
Okay, so a couple thoughts before I go. I'm sitting here in those Adirondack chairs. It's kind of hard to leave. It's peaceful, quiet, and well worth the time out here. If you are ever curious about Fallbrook and what's here, it's a beautiful place in northern San Diego County, and this Monserate Winery is a great addition. You'll love it. Come on out. And the thought I have, though, is really about renewal. Well, I'm not getting any younger, but it's always good to have something to inspire you, to move you on. As one thing falls by the wayside, you can pick up something new. Just like this old golf course had fallen by the wayside, was disused and overgrown. but now is a beautiful place blossoming right here in these hills again, with this vineyard literally blossoming. So until next time, let's all go find something to renew ourselves with, and God bless you. Stay out of trouble. All right.